Hi, I'm Julian Frost, N3JF with Ham Radio Outlet. We recently ran a giveaway for an OPEK OP-SLK-F3L Starlink mini mount for select Ford pickup trucks from OPEK, and the lucky winner was randomly selected. Here's the winner of the OPEK OP-SLK-F3L Starlink mini mount for compatible Ford pickup trucks. Congratulations to you. Your prize will be sent to you soon. We have more giveaways coming. Subscribe or follow all our social media platforms: Facebook, X, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Click the like button and share all the videos and posts that you see to be sure that the algorithm keeps you up to date on all the latest giveaways. I'm Julian Frost, N3JF with Ham Radio Outlet. 73, like and subscribe.